Hey everyone, so here's an interesting app called Lock Launcher Screen Widgets. So let's just install it and see how it works. Of course, probably you heard about Widgetable, Widget.me's, like dozens of other widget apps. But yeah, this is one of those, and I think this is one specifically iOS 16 lock screen widget apps. You can add anything on the lock screen and launch it instantly with just one touch. It perfectly supports various apps, widgets, shortcuts, and custom URL schemes. Home screen widgets with transparent background, favorites support group management, auto refresh, start live activity, and dynamic island with shortcut automation. Lock screen text widget supports custom launcher and text. So anyhow, let's just open it up. And then I didn't use it before, but there you have it. So you have group, you have, for example, WhatsApp, Instagram, and I can just add it to the lock screen. So here, as I understand, I have two widgets. I can just add it to widget. So here I have circular widget, or I have text widget. So I can just see it here. So circular widget, and then I can discover more apps. So here, for example, system settings, I can add like location, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular data, hotspot, all of these things. Then I can just add news, launchpad, dynamic battery. It's like pretty advanced here, and then there are all the settings. But anyhow, here's the widget, and then, for example, I have this widget. Choose action WhatsApp. I have this widget. I can all right. So yeah, this is how you can just basically install it. So okay, add to lock screen widget 1, and then I have it, and then circular widget, Instagram test run, and then it will just basically open Instagram, as you can see. Okay, so we got that idea. And then I can also add it like as a home icon or anyhow, and then you can read all of the descriptions. And then basically here you can just add these widgets to your lock screen. So this is all about lock screen widgets, meaning you need to have iOS 16 or later, and then you will have this feature available. You can do really advanced stuff with the lock screens here. You can also add like home screens and all these additional things. But anyhow, let's just try to set up a lock screen. So here I have wallpaper, for example. I can just also do it from the settings app. I don't need necessarily go to my lock screen. And then from here, I can just tap customize, and then I will be able to customize my lock screen. So yeah, let's just wait a bit. Oops, something is lagging. Why is that? So settings and then wallpaper. So I don't know, maybe they're just uploading, updating the list of widgets or something like that. So it just takes some time. Or yeah, sometimes it's just a bit loading in this scenario. You can also just lock your screen and then proceed from there, from your locked screen. So you can try that as well. And then just tap customize, and then you will be able to add this widget from lock launcher. This is pretty advanced app, I would say. I think it's one of the most advanced apps for the lock screens. And then, for example, you want to add some like action, and there already all of it here. So for example, you can add ChatGPT, OpenAI lock screen widget. hot apps which you can open: Google Photos, Cash App, Facebook Messenger, like from your lock screen. And then just organize it into different groups, and from all these different groups you can just add them to your lock screen. Just curious. So here you can also add them as a lock, as a home screen icon. Yeah, so yeah, but I would just also like to show you how it looks here, but for some reason it's just not loading properly. Okay, so as you can see, one of the screens has been loaded. And finally, this one is loaded, so I can just tap customize and I can just add widgets. And then here I tap lock launcher. And then finally I have, widget 1, which we just set up, widget 3, 5, 6. Dynamic battery, dynamic second hand. So yeah, just set up widget 1, and then I instantly see a link to my Instagram. So when I will just save it like this and tap done in the top right, I will be instantly opening Instagram lock screen widget. So there you have it. That's basically an idea, and I guess can I move it around? I can change font and color. I can again choose top widget. I can add like a custom text. So all this stuff, it's available from iOS 16. It's a new area where you can, experiment with your phone, and a lot of people like it because it just makes opening apps and doing other things much faster. Like instead of, going to the screen, even if you open an app with Face ID, it's like, and then you need to click on Instagram icon, go to your account, go to specific photo or something like that. Here you just instantly can do it with one tap, or just you can have some motivational quotes with one tap, or like your fitness activity. So it's pretty cool, but anyhow, I'm not gonna save it yet. But so I think you got some ideas how you can play around. So that's basically that. And then you can also add some live activities in your dynamic island. It's pretty cool. I never did that before. So here, for example, you can see there are some live activities. So yeah, something around that. I hope at least some of this clarified something for you, and thank you for watching.